Good morning to all. In previous class, we discussed body system. So, what are the body system? In body system contains lots of systems. Those are nervous system, skeletal and muscular system, circulatory system, and breathing system, digestive system, reproductive system. Those all are mixing in that body system. So that we discussed in previous class. Now today we will discuss about nervous system. Nervous system means what? This nervous system controls. So this nervous system controls all the body systems. So just now we discussed, no, body system means what do we have? Nervous system is there, skeletal and muscular, respiratory, circulatory and reproductive, all body system. So this nervous system controls the all body system. So that we are calling nervous system. So this nervous system made up of brain, the brain and the spinal cord, and also nerves. So how do this nervous system made up? The nervous system made up of the brain, the spinal cord and the nerves. You know, nerves carry messages. What they do? The nerves are carry messages from all part of our body. So nerves are carrying messages from all parts of our body to the brain through spinal cord. How they are getting? Through the spinal cord, they are carrying all messages and sending to our brain. After that, what will happen? The brain reads the messages. First the brain studies the messages. After that they decide what type of action they can take, what type of action they have to send that body part. So the brain studies this messages. Which one? The brain is studying that messages, and after that they decide what action needs to be taken. After that what will happen? Some instruction. The brain sends some instructions to that all body parts with the help of spinal cord and nerves. So they will send. So this is the nervous system. Here nervous system was made up by a brain, spinal cord and nerves. So whatever the message gets from our nerves are carrying that messages and they are sending through that brain with the help of spinal cord. You know, this nervous system is very important in our body, and they controls our organs also. We have 5 sense organs. What are those? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. So this nervous system controls these organs also. How do they control? So suppose if you are going to fall down, so you will put your hands. So like that they are controlling our body also. And without this nervous system, we cannot talk, we cannot see, we cannot walk, we cannot write, we can't do anything else without this nervous system. So nervous system helps to do all work. For example, we discussed nervous system controls the all body system. Suppose when you are running race, suppose in your school or somewhere else or evening times, you are playing running race with your friends. So if you are running fast, the brain inform to this circulatory system and respiratory system, means breathing system, inform to work faster. Why do they need to work fast? When we run fast, our blood is increasing, circulation is increasing, and also we need more oxygen, so that the brain gives some instruction to that circulatory system and breathing system to work fast. So like that this nervous system control all the other body systems, and they controls our sense organs too. Here the main part is brain. You know, the brain is the most remarkable organ. Which one? The brain is a most remarkable organ in our body. So whatever we want to do, our brain is giving some instruction to do the work. So here the brain is the most remarkable organ in our body, and it is protected by bony skull. So the brain was protected by bony skull, and it has a structure of walnut shape. What is that? Walnut shape. And also it controls all our body. The brain controls whole our body, and also the brain gets some lots of messages. Our brain store lots of messages. When we need these messages, what they will do? They can recall that one. So this all we are calling memory. So whatever you are studying, whatever you want to sing or something else, you will read and you will keep in your mind. So some information you can gather and you will keep it in your mind. Whenever you need, so what you will do? You recall that answers or song or whatever it may be. So the whole messages, information, all will store in our brain. So that we call that a memory. Memory, no? Where could we get our memory? We can store our memory in a brain, where we can store in memory also in our brain. So it controls everything that goes in our body. So our brain controls everything goes in our body. All body system, all work has controlled by this brain. You know, brain has divided into 3 parts. Those are, first one, cerebrum. Next, second one is cerebellum, and third one is medulla oblongata. So the brain has divided into 3 parts. Those are cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla oblongata. So here brain controls all the body parts and all the body system in our body, and also they can store some memory. Whenever we need that memory information, we can recall with the help of brain. And brain has divided into 3 parts. Those are cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla oblongata. Full information we will discuss in next class. So what type of work medulla oblongata will do, what type of work cerebrum will do, what type of cerebellum will do, these all those things we will discuss clearly in a upcoming class. Okay, thank you.